Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to restore a deleted Zangi Messenger account, or at least what options you really have. So let's get started. Now, first things first, if you went into your settings, tap privacy and use the delete account option, that deletion is permanent. Yeah, I know, not the answer most people want, but Zangi states clearly, once you hit delete, all your messages, calls, and profile info are gone for good. So if you're in that boat, unfortunately, there's no restore button, no undo. But if your account just suddenly went missing or you never hit delete yourself, then yeah, you might still have some options. In that case, the best thing to do is contact Zangi support. Open up a browser, search for Zangi support, and click their official contact page. There you'll see a form. Now, take your time here. Fill in your details, your name, email address, and if it applies, your company. In the message box, explain clearly. You lost access to your account, you don't know what happened, and you did not delete it yourself. Yeah, it sounds simple, but being very clear in that message really helps the support team understand your case. Think of it like giving them all the puzzle pieces. They can't help if the picture is incomplete. Once the form is ready, click send. After that, you'll need to wait for their reply. Usually, they'll email you back at the address you provided. From there, it's just a matter of responding, verifying some details, and following their instructions. And look, this part can take a bit of patience. Sometimes you'll hear back quickly, sometimes it might take a couple of days. So yeah, just keep an eye on your inbox and maybe even check your spam folder just in case their reply gets filtered. So, to recap real quick, if you deleted your Zangi account yourself, it's permanent and can't be restored. But if the account disappeared without you deleting it, then contacting support is your best chance to get it back. And that's it. That's the reality of restoring a Zangi Messenger account. Hopefully this clears things up. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.